Love is the true epitome of human nature, and it conquers all adversity. Human nature is complex. Even if we do have inclinations toward violence, we also have inclination to empathy, to cooperation, to self-control.
A living man can be enslaved and reduced to the historic condition of an object. But if he dies in refusing to be enslaved, he reaffirms the existence of another kind of human nature, which refuses to be classified as an object.
Human nature is potentially aggressive and destructive, and potentially orderly and constructive.
You don't really understand human nature, unless you know why a child on a merry-go-round will wave at his parents every time around, and why his parents will always wave back.
Human action can be modified to some extent, but human nature cannot be changed.
Human nature is not a problem that can be fixed by rules and regulations. All solutions to the existing problems must be based on how people behave, not on how we think they should behave.
Caring passionately about something isn't against nature, and it isn't against human nature. It's what we're here to do.
Beware of undertaking too much at the start. Be content with quite a little. Allow for accidents. Allow for human nature, especially your own.
It's a very firm part of human nature that if you surround yourself with like-minded people, you'll end up thinking more extreme versions of what you thought before. It is not in human nature for all men to tread the same path of development as animals do of a single species.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more videos.